Ever wondered what secrets lie hidden on the deep web? It's a mysterious world where you can find things you wouldn't believe could exist. And trust me, I was shocked by what I uncovered. It all started about a year ago during a Model United Nations event. I was talking about contraband trafficking, and someone mentioned the term deep web. At that time, I had no idea what it was. How could I know about something I couldn't even access? But months later, I joined Quora, and I kept coming across discussions about the deep web. People shared links to mysterious sites, so I decided to dive in and see for myself. I downloaded Tor, a special browser that lets you access the deep web, and began my journey. At first, I found online chat rooms where people anonymously talked about anything and everything. I saw countless warnings about child pornography, which made me realize how serious and dangerous this place could be. The deeper I went, the more shocking things I found. I stumbled upon a website selling illegal guns and ammo, another one offering drugs, and even a place that claimed to hire hitmen. But the real shock came when I found a site filled with tutorials on things like lockpicking, burglary, and even disturbing topics like necrophilia and cannibalism. I couldn't believe what I was reading, and it felt like a nightmare. I came across videos showing disturbing acts of violence, and honestly, some things I saw on the deep web still haunt me to this day. These were not just empty threats, they were real, and they made me realize how dark and twisted this corner of the internet can be. Over time, the excitement wore off. The sites I visited started getting shut down, and many links didn't work anymore. I tried searching for ebooks, and I found some interesting stuff like Indian history books. I even found a place with free ebooks, which was a welcome change from all the chaos. But then, one day, I stumbled upon something truly horrifying. A site filled with videos and images so disturbing I couldn't look at them for more than a few seconds. It was full of violence, rape, and death, things I wish I could unsee. That was the moment I realized how deep and dark the deep web really is. I want to make it clear, I don't recommend exploring the deep web. There are some things you can't unsee, and the risks far outweigh the curiosity. But I wanted to share my experience with you, so you can understand the dangers that exist in this hidden part of the internet. Be careful and always stay safe online. End note. If you found this story eye-opening, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life internet experiences. Stay safe out there.